Chez Satoshi, for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you Kava, Grow Your Crypto Safely. I'm going to read the subtitle, Connecting the World's Largest Assets Ecosystem and Financial Application under the same umbrella. And this is really interesting. But just before to keep going with Kava and the DisTeFi ecosystem, I want you to take a couple of action. The only thing I forget, I discovered this project because I keep going with the Cosmos network, and I keep going for a few weeks. I'm going to make more video about all the project that I find interesting listed on Cosmos on the ecosystem. So let's go back to Kava, and I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. First one is subscribe right now, smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy, ding ding ding, press the notification bell, bing bing, to get notified from Monday through Friday, as well as spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the stress school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to Kava. So basically, high level, it's I already mentioned in the introduction, grow your crypto safely, connecting the world's largest asset ecosystems and financial applications into the same umbrella. This is really cool. As you can see, they have the total balance, reward claiming, and supply. This is really cool. So high level, open, safe, accessible Yuki Ucoin, fully decentralized protocols with institutional grade security. And this is really important. I really love that. I'm going to read again. Yukis, Ucoins, fully decentralized protocol with institutional grade security. What you can do, you can mint powered by the Kava token, stablecoin loans, and second like this. Bang! You can lend powered by R token, lend, borrow, and start earning a money market to lend, borrow, and earn across the world's largest crypto asset. You can learn more. You can swap, low fee trading, high reward liquidity. Swap the world's largest asset and maximum yields across your entire portfolio. Fact, you have the step on DeFi game and learn more about the next wave of digital finance. So get started. They have a lot of tutorials. Connect your wallet, starting high yields. You can log with the ledgers and Trust Wallet. Connect, I'm going to read that here. Connect Curva currently support Trust Wallet and Ledger. Connect to the Kava app to get started. Fun. Deposit BIP2 and Kava assets onto the Kava chains to start earning. Earn. Supply to mint, lend, swap, and earn within a security ecosystem of the Kava chains. I need to take some coffee because this is very exciting. I love discover the Web3, the revolution of crypto that's coming. I love that. So they mentioned at high level, the safest place to earn with your crypto. Kava was built with user security as top priority. Truly audited, open source, and best crypto practice assure you funds safe and secure as they grow. Get connected. Stay up to date on the latest news and development on the Kava ecosystem. So you can put your email. Very interesting. They are on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Medium, YouTube, and GitHub. And what is cool? It's open source. So join the fast and growing DeFi ecosystem. Really love the beautiful graphic, all the great people on the great ecosystem of crypto. So let's go jump to the great section about Kava. So Kava mint, a high level. So as you can see here, mint. So I need to take some coffee. And I'm going to read that big title. Generate USDX stablecoin loans and second like this. Boo! Boo! So low rate. Instantly borrow against your crypto assets with rates as low as 0% IPY. High reward, min USDX, and begin earning across the Kava platform. Total asset value over $519 million. They support a lot. You see the BTCP, Binance USDT, XRP, and many more assets. The BNB, Kava, R, and HBTC. Earn up to 67.78% IPY on USD6. Supply USD6 to Kava, lend, and earn. This is really insane. 67.78% on the stablecoin USD6. This is really cool. Stay connected, put your email, but this is really insane. This is great. I'm not a fashion advisor, but it's a project I discovered on the Cosmos Hub ecosystem that's called GAVA, and we know they focus on the DeFi, decentralized finance. Always do your own research. Put everything rely on your shoulders. You are the master of your destiny and the crypto source, and this is the way the decentralized philosophy. So let's go jump to another great section about Kava. I'm going to close this beautiful ads here. So what you can do as well, you can lend, borrow, and store earning right now. Lend and earn. Safely supply crypto asset and start earning right now. Borrow. Access cross-chain liquidity as low as 0% IPY. Total asset value over $183 million. They support all the assets, the stablecoin, USDX, and many more assets from this ecosystem. So get started. You put your email and keep in touch with the latest development of Kava. So let's go jump to another great section about the Kava swap. So I need to take some coffee because it's beautiful website. Great thing they want to focus on decentralizing. I think they make something great and focus on decentralized finance. And this is really important to focus to bring value for your customers. Low fees, highest rewards. You can trade, swap high demand assets without the expensive transactions fees. Earn supply liquidity and earn some of the highest reward IPY on DeFi. This is really insane. Total liquidity, 25 millions on the swap. So let's go jump to the Kava ecosystem. So what is all about? Everything shaking. So truly scalable DeFi powered by the Kava platform. A powerful ecosystem built on the Kava platform that merge unparalleled layer 1 architecture, next generation output, and institutional grade security for the safest, most scalable home for DeFi. A blueprint for true scale. Kava has developed a blueprint for scaling that goes beyond throughput to create a curated ecosystem of the best-in-class services that can meet the needs to truly global decentralized economy. Asset on chain 2.1 billion, cross-chain transaction 1.8 billion plus, user 280,000 peoples. It's secure, simple, and select. Fueling the futures, my friend. 185 million initial fund. Kava Lab has allocated over 185 millions to finance the first phase of development of the ecosystem, with two main phases planned. The 185 million initial phase is targeted at the accelerated onboarding of careful vetting project to the Kava ecosystem. This will rapidly expand the available services on the platform, all of which will deliver the same quality and security that users have come to expect from Kava. So build better DeFi. It's your project ready for true scale. Join the list here. You put all the information and follow the process. Let's go jump to the next great section about Kava. As you can see here, this is you can collect with two wallets they support. I think the Ledger and Trust wallet. So what you can do here, you can mint. It takes some time to load. You can lend. You can swap. It takes some time to load. You can mint, as you can see. So you need to deposit your asset and then you mint the stable coin. You can lend. You can swap. But the lend, what is cool, it's you can generate 67% on USDX actually. The Kava, you can just make 2.75. ARD, you can make 21%. The BNB, 9.94%. BTC, 3.89. BUSD, 29.18. And the EXP, 5.99. This is a really interesting project. You can swap as well. You can swap back and forth different assets. For they support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So between the 8 assets supported by Kava, you can swap back and forth. This is really cool. The reward, you can generate increment balance of SWP. So I don't know how this thing is work, but you can get rewards when you swap. As well, you can see your balance of the 8 supported asset on the Kava ecosystem. This is really important. As well, you can vote on the governance token or decentralized governance, but right now they don't have any active proposal on the pipe. So I hope you really enjoyed this introduction about Kava that bring great features on the market for the DeFi application for the home users. So I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. First one, hit subscribe right now. Smash the like button with Brabian and Powerful Energy. Bing, bing, bing. Press the notification bell, ding, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday with great content and value, as well as spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. Thank you so much and have a great day, and see you on the next episode.